Hi there, Ola, Alola. We're gonna be testing out the Honored One character from this game, Jujutsu Shenanigans. Shenanigans! Shenanigans! Do-do-do-do. So, this is the M1s. I'm doing this on mobile because people don't show it on mobile, and I only have mobile. My PC is broken right now. That's the down slam, punch down. I don't know how to do this. 2, 3. Right, guys, can you guys wait a minute? No, I did something. I just do with the. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Wait. I don't think there's an uppercut. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Wait. Can't do it, guys. Lapse blue, you summon this blue orb, then you kick him out. Reversal red, you summon red orb which goes distance, and once hit person, explode. But if not hit person, explode in a distance and can defeat blocking players if they're blocking like this, and the red is here. If they're doing that, the red is over here and they're blocking. It can defeat blocking players, but it also does damage. Oh wait, I forgot. I can summon. Let me do my Indian accent. Guys, rate my Indian accent 1 to 10. Accent. If you use it reversal red, it does lapse blue doesn't break block, but if you use red, it still does damage. If you use red from a far enough distance, that can break block. Which, if you do that, I think you can combo it. So I'm also gonna be sharing a combo for you guys. Reversal red, lapse blue can combo into reversal red. I'm so sorry to Sanju flying. Next is rapid punches. Do a kick and then you punch them rapidly. Again. And then two-fold kick. You kick once, you kick another time. Two-fold kick is perfect to deal with rapid punches. Wait, I'm sorry guys. There you go. And then you can hit the lapse blue. So I didn't hit the blacks blue. I guess I gotta rest. Goodbye. Editor, put the line there that says, "This is a joke. I'm not actually tired. I just don't know what I'm saying." Alright. So next is, let me just clear all these, and then I think I have to get off destruction. So yeah. Next is the finishers. Why did I summon that guy? Lapse blue. Throw him out. Oh yeah. Perfect timing, I turned off destruction. Lapse blue. You kick him and you summon a bunch of that, and then they just explode. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can use R specials. Satoru Gojo's or the Honored One's R special can go about this far away, but not to the enemy. But if you use your R special and look behind before the glass breaking effect, you can teleport behind your opponent. You can also use this with moves. For example, Lapse Blue. Well, on the air, you do a kick. Reversal Red, you teleport behind them if you're facing the front. But if you're facing the back, teleport in front of them. Rapid Punches. You drag them along. Twofold Kick, it's the same as Lapse Blue, do that, but at a much shorter range, so their velocity doesn't reach that high. Next, Reversal Red Finisher, they explode. I'm not sure if I can show that. Now this is my favorite, Rapid Punches. You do a hook, send! Black Flash, Twofold Kick, follow up with a red, and then what will be funny is if do a reversal red, then you twofold kick it. Alright. So next I will do is show you the combo. Twofold kick into here minis. Twofold kick into rapid punches, into Lapse Blue, into teleport and red. Oh yeah, if you use Lapse Blue, red, and then Lapse Blue and they're up, press red and it will do the same damage at the same time. Next is skill. Man, let's get a little crazy. You do a domain expansion for 0.2 seconds, they're stunned, and you just do a run, and you basically one tap your opponent. And if you get 2 kills with that, you'll have heads with your hands. Let me show you what I mean. Let's get crazy. Domain expansion. Dead. Yeah. That's the animation. Then we move on to the actual awakening. Let's get a little crazy. First is Lapse Blue Max Big Blue Orb that you can control for a couple seconds. This is not breakable. Backable. What am I saying? Breakable. Yeah. That's the finisher. The blue orb stays in there. That'll be important for what's coming later. Reversal red. Oh yeah, I forgot to do. Lapse blue with R. With R doesn't do anything. Reversal red with R. The red comes back and you do a black flash. Reversal red max finisher. They explode. And then purple with R, they do nothing. Red with black flash, you desecrate their entire body. Now hollow purple finisher. This definitely my favorite. Because hollow purple, yeah. You give him the Gojo treatment. Next is I'm about to tell you guys so hard that my game's about to lie. So this is the, oh yeah, but first I'm gonna show you the combo. Lapse blue into infinite void. Once they're trapped in there, they can't punch you. And oh, you guys made it here. There, black flash and purple. Now they're dead. Now you guys, I'm not gonna deal with you later on. Alright, yeah, but infinite void sure hit effect. Make sure that they can't move, so if you just have that, get out. So if we just do this, look at that. So many feet. Oh, yeah. If you miss reversal red or variant, you get hurt yourself. But if you hit it, black flash. Alright. Now, if you do that and use reversal red, you will get that purple. The scan and will hurt you. And also, if you use your ult right there, this will revert you and it's not blockable. I blocked it. Either put an edit. I am wrong with one. Yeah, no, I don't. My editor does not know how to do an edit. He says that I'm not paying him enough. I mean, I'm giving him a place to live. I mean, back then he was living in his parents' basement, but now he's living in my basement. I mean, in his parents' basement. He doesn't have to wear shackles and gets food every day. But I don't think he needs them. Alright, so that's basically the entirety of Buddhas. So, aka the honored one. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bayong 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 babaong baong bayong bujingang bayong. Oh, you get really speedy. Oh my goodness. And then you do rapid punches. Then you do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. 0.2 domain is blockable. And if you turn on cooldowns, attacking dummy. I'm sorry guys. You press your R special, wait a minute. So sorry guys, let me just take care of this guy real quick. Just take care of you real quick. Now if you use all purple on there. That couldn't hurt me. Wait, I have infinite awakening. I'm gonna see if I can get close to it. Wait a minute. Ah. Oh, guys, it's just my dog messing with the gate again. Alright. I'm running out of time. Can I? Nope. You cannot go drive up. That's it, guys. Goodbye. See you later tomorrow.